It's a hard one to swallow. We gave it our all. Everyone put in a good shift. They scored early, which made the game difficult for us. But we stuck to the game plan, tried to build up, tried to keep the ball, and tried to ask questions of them. We are unlucky not to score with bullets shot. But it's a hard one to take. But we move on from this. We got a lot of positive to take from the game. Great energy from Mama Pagania. They were there from the first minute till the last. They kept us going, they kept us pushing. They were there with us in the second half when we almost came close to equalizing. But we'd like to say sorry to them, and we'll pick ourselves from this and make sure that we get positive results going forward.